Why do women wear toe ring? India is a very old country which is highly rich in culture. There are many traditions, especially for women. One of the tradition is to wear many different types of ornaments made from gold and silver. The commonest one being toe rings in feet. Most of the people think that these accessories are just for beauty, but each of them have an important significance on women overall well-being. And yes, all of them are connected to thousands of years of tradition in India. Toe ring is the symbol of married women. Wearing of toe rings by married women on second finger of feet is a common practice in India. These toe rings are called bichiya in Hindi, mettelu in Telugu, metti in Tamil, and kalungura in Kannada. Toe rings have been an integral part of the Indian culture since the times of Ramayana. These have been worn for centuries by Indian women and have always held a significant symbolism in our culture. It is an accessory full of ethnicity and delicacy. Toe rings are usually made up of silver and are worn in pairs on the second toe of both the feet. This custom of wearing toe rings is under great practice in the Indian tradition and holds a tremendous significance in the society. These are preferably made up of silver and not gold. The reason behind this is that has acquired a respectable position and is by choice and importance worn not under the waist. Gold is the portrayal of the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, and consequently, a lot of respect is paid to it. Scientific reasons behind why women wear toe rings. The tradition of wearing toe rings by married women has a scientific basis too. Normally, toe rings are worn in the second toe. A particular nerve from the second toe connects uterus and passes through the heart. Because of this, the constant friction caused while walking and doing different activities throughout the day, it energizes the vital organs. Since wearing toe rings stimulates certain nerves that pertain to the reproductive system, keeping it in balance and healthy. The reflexology texts also mention about treating gynecological problems by massaging the second toe. By wearing them in both feet, it is believed that the menstrual cycle is regularized with even intervals. This increases the chances of conception in married women. Mostly, the toe rings are made up of silver, and silver, being a good conductor, absorbs the polar energy from the earth and passes it to the body, thus refreshing the whole body system. Thank you.